Hi everybody, this is Kathy from Katzelcreate and welcome back to our channel. So I am coming along. It's late. Everybody here at the household is asleep. So if my voice is low, I do apologize for that. I do apologize for that. Anyways, so I wanted to come along with some mail I received and a Julie netting swap that I also received. So I'm going to go ahead and do it all in one video. So please bear with me. So I received this from Mariann here on YouTube. She is Mariann, and I will link her down in the description below. We did a snow and cocoa swap, and she forgot to put this in the mail, so she sent it to me separate. I told her she could wait. I would have waited, that's fine, but she didn't want it sitting in her house. So look at how beautiful, you guys. Oh my goodness, look at, isn't that gorgeous? OMG, I am so afraid to take it out of the packaging. Maybe I should. So it is beautiful, my goodness, so gorgeous. Look at how beautiful, you guys. And she put acetate paper right here in the middle. So gorgeous. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. I love the leaves. Oh my goodness, it is gorgeous. So you guys know I can't put stuff back in the packaging, so let me go ahead and put it on the side. And then I got some mail from Miss Monti from the Polkadot Pinecone. So I was like, what did she send me? So let me go ahead and open this really quick. I don't want to show her address, so let me go ahead and do it this way. And so let's see. Thank you so much for entering my challenge giveaway. I loved everyone's tag flips and really appreciate all the support for my channel. Take care, Monty. And again, she is Polkadot Pinecone here on YouTube, and she sent this. Awesome, cute. Thank you so much. Oh my goodness, I am in the process of sending out my thank you cards, but I am such a procrastinator, you guys. Thank you so much. Oh my goodness, these are beautiful. I think these are from Maggie Holmes, and I want to say Flourish, but then again, I don't know my collection, so I do apologize if I'm wrong. Anyway, so let me go ahead and see. And then I got this. This is the Julie netting tag swap, and my partner was Miss Gloria Smith. So let's go ahead and open this, and I hope I do not ruin or cut anything. And I actually just sent hers on the mail on Saturday, so hopefully she receives it. And if you don't like it, Gloria, let me know. I will remake you a new one if it's not you don't like it. So let's go ahead and see. Let's go ahead. So the theme was apples and red truck. So she sent me this. Thank you for joining in the swap. Hope you like it, Gloria. I like her tag. Oh. And I like, you guys see those llamas? How cute. Oh, no. Maybe I pulled it wrong. Oh, I wanted to say that. Usually washi tape usually just comes out so easy, and I tore it. Let me see, how do you open this? You guys see the back? How cute. I like the back. Handmade by Gloria Smith, and hello, I love the back. And then she put, oh, some napkins. Awesome. I've yet to decoupage. No, I've already done decoupaging napkins. Never mind, I've already done it. Oh, how cute. She did a harvest themed. Oh my, and I think it was harvest as well. How cute. Oh my goodness, I love this. So much detail. And I think she decoupaged, yeah, these are the napkins. And she decoupaged it on this chipboard tag. And then she did some, either the stickers or some, she fussy cut some leaves right here. So pretty. and then she put this raffia as a bow and a button there, and then she put these nice, oh my gosh, I like these plastic leaves, and look at the I love how she did the pumpkin. So just circle for pumpkins, and then she went ahead and did a stitch effect, and he is so handsome. Oh my goodness. And then she put this wooden chipboard here which says happy fall, and then in the background right here there is another piece of die cut, a pumpkin die cut, and oh my goodness, so much detail. Now I feel bad because I didn't put that much detail on mine. Mine's a little flatter, way flatter, and I'll probably put a video on there. And then I like how she went in with the, it looks like, oh my goodness, this is like I've never seen that before. Is that embossing? She outlined the outer of his overalls with, it looks like it might be embossing. Oh, I like his shoes. If you guys could see his shoes. OMG, you guys. She did amazing. I love it. Oh my gosh, I'm in love. Look at you guys. So much detail. Oh my goodness, so beautiful. So I'm like mesmerized with looking at it, you guys. Sorry. Oh my goodness. Thank you, Gloria. It is gorgeous. I love it. So love it. I like the decoupage. I like feeling it. I think it's stickers. And I like how she did this outline. Oh my goodness. So this is a way that we learn from other crafters on how they do their crafting, and it is gorgeous, you guys. So beautiful. Okay, anyways, thank you everybody for taking the time to watch. We will see you guys on our next video. And sorry again because my voice was low. Everybody here in my household is asleep, so I do apologize for that. And we'll see you guys on our next video. Bye for now.